Okay, question 2. Question 2 was also well done. Majority got it correct. Now, the mark is given for AC over 6 equals to 10 over 4 or any other variation. So any way that you manipulate it, as long as you have something like this, you get a 1 mark. So check for our friends as well. If you're holding on to more than one paper. At any point in time, if you feel that I give too many marks or I give too little marks, just read pen circle, write down the question number on the front page. Because you don't have time to one by one come up. Next one. 3A. The answer is simply 8x. Any mistake, minus 1 mark. So your answer is 8x, you get 2 marks. Anything that doesn't look like 8x, minus 1. Anything that doesn't, more errors, minus another 1, 2 marks. So common mistake, 8x over 1. Yes? No need to do corrections now. No need. We don't have time to do corrections now. 8x over 1 is same as 8x. So minus 1 mark. Part B, simplify. So the answer is negative 4x minus 4y. 1 mark only. So if your answer is like this, which is a common mistake, plus minus 4y. If you write that, minus 1 mark, no marks there. There's no such thing as plus and then minus. We have never written that before. Okay, next, 4A. Okay, 1 mark again, 2 times of 6A minus 7B. The common mistake is just 6A minus 7B. Then the 2 disappear. So that is wrong. Part B, factorizing. 2 mark question, 1 mark for each of these. X minus 6, not x equals to 6. X minus 6, 1 mark. X minus 3, 1 mark. So common mistake, you all went to solve. You should not be solving. It is factorizing. Ahmad, focus on checking. Fine. Okay, this was very badly done. What? Okay. Look. Okay. Now it's not the time to discuss. We want to try and get as many marks as we can. Now, some of you miss A by 1 mark only. Some of you miss the passing by 1 mark only. So please try and find an error in my marking so that I can give that mark to you to bump you up from C to B, from B to A, from fail to pass. So 1 mark is for combining. I don't need to expand yet. Just combine. And that's 1 mark. Once you get rid of the fraction, that's another 1 mark. Common mistake is like this. You end up with 13x minus 8. You look at your own paper. If you see 13x minus 8, you don't get that 1 mark for combining fraction already. Because when we expand, look at the minus 2 times minus 4. It gives us positive 8, not negative 8. Okay, so final answer mark, 1 mark, total 3. Now question 6. The next term. Hey, guys, we read from left to right. We are Asians. No, okay, that's irrelevant. We read from left to right. The next number is negative 3. Some of you actually went the other way. Then you get 21. No. The answer is negative 3. We are minusing 4 all the time. Okay, part B. Part B, I think only one student got it correct. Now, this question was in 2020 N-level paper. The method was covered over there. 2020 TYS, it was inside paper 2. Same question. Just change number only. Okay, so as long as I see 21, positive 21, 1 mark. If I see negative 4n, 1 mark. Total 2 marks. I'll go through again how to do it. Now it's not the time to do correction. 7A. It was very well done. 7A was very well done. Many of you didn't even give any working. Never mind, I don't care. You give me the correct answer, can already. In this case, 13 over 40. Because it is possible. Press calculator only. 32.5 over 100, you get an answer already. Okay, next one. Part B, 200 grams is a percentage of 5 kg. If I see 200 over 5,000, 200 over 5,000, that is 1 mark. Then the final answer will be 4 without the percentage. And I noticed that quite a number of you actually didn't include this percentage in the working. Then your final answer got percentage. So technically, I should minus 1 mark, but I choose to be more lenient. You should know what you're doing. Got percentage on left hand side, must have percentage on the right hand side. Otherwise, technically minus 1 mark. If totally don't write left hand side, don't write right hand side, don't write final answer you write, okay, can. Must be consistent. Okay, 8A. 1 mark for substitution. This was well done also. Just put in the number inside, I give 1 mark already. Then the final answer, negative 3/5. Of course, negative 0.6 is the same. Part B, it was all right. I was hoping that more of you will get it correct. 1 mark for making 2x the subject. Okay, 2x equals to 3y plus 5, that is 1 mark. Then after you do the division by 2. The common mistake is substituting x equals to 1.6 into the equation. Come on, 1.6 is from part A. X is 1.6 from part A. No, it's got nothing to do with part B. Okay, question 9A, arc length. The arc length formula, 50/60 times 2 pi r, where the value of r is 7. 1 mark. Final answer, 1 mark, 6.11. This was well done. So if you can do part A, logically you can do part B. Same. 50/360 pi r squared. 1 mark. Final answer, 21.4. Okay, am I going too fast? Okay. Now question 10A, almost everybody got it correct. Yeah, I think everybody got it correct. -5, -5. Now the graph, how is this marked? You must show me all the correct plots. All the plots give you 1 mark. Then you join a smooth curve. Smooth curve. Cannot be hairy curve. What is hairy curve? Looking like this. So like this, we draw many lines like this, not allowed. What else is not allowed? If your graph, the shape is wrong. If it has a straight line, wrong, -1 mark. So total 2 marks over here. Find the value of y when x is 0.5. Acceptable range, 3.6 until 3.8. Anything beyond that, no mark. So that's well done also. Now question 11. Part A was actually quite well done. Many of you show me the correct construction arc. Okay, the construction arc I'm talking about is this. This one. So the highlighted arc gives you highlighted arc together. Highlighted arc is 1 mark. Then you get a correct position of C, 1 mark. Total 2 marks for part A. Construct the triangle. Those of you who didn't get the 2 marks for part A, most likely it's because of 130 degrees. Didn't measure properly. Take out a protractor, go and measure and see for yourself that you are not accurate. Now part B, angle bisector, I need to see construction arcs again. Then draw a line, final answer mark, 2 marks. If you're not sure about the marking, circle right on the cover page. Question 12. Part A, well done, 40. Part A was 40. Part B, find the fixed charge, it is 10. I'll explain later. 10 will give you 1 mark. Part C, any form of division, as long as you get answer as 50 cents, $0.5. 50, okay. We have to take away the fixed charge. I'll explain later on. Okay. So this is not wrong. The 40 cents is not wrong. Okay, later I explain. Part D. Part D, you are supposed to draw a straight line graph that passes through the origin, passes through the 0, 0, and it passes through this point, which is 20, 20, as well as 45, 45. So as long as you pass through, you have a straight line that passes through these points, you will get 1 mark for part D. And the point of intersection is actually 20. Okay, we'll explain later on. So that is the 2 marks. The answer, no line. But it says by drawing a graph. So must have graph. Yeah. Okay, last question, 13. Write out coordinates for point C, very good. 4, 2. Calculate the length of CD. Not well done, but many got correct. You're supposed to use Pythagoras theorem. The answer is not just 2, you know. The answer is not 2. The answer is 2.83. So 1 mark is given for application of Pythagoras, either like this or this. Or copy. Copy correction. Okay, part C. Hey guys, show. When it's a show question, we're going to use it later on. We'll see how. So part C, 1 mark for area of triangle, half times 4 times 2. You show me half times 4 times 2, you get 1 mark. You show me half times pi r square radius is 2, you get 1 mark. Final answer 10.3 shown. All right. Now part D. Part D is where we use our answer from part C. It is a cross section of a prism. So you remember that volume of prism is base area times vertical height. And they say that the length, in this case, the perpendicular is 15. So all you need to do is to just multiply these two numbers together. 10.3, or some of you use a more accurate figure. 10.283 times 15. That is one method mark. And the final answer, 154.5. Wow, record time. Okay, so now any errors in marking. Now we have time. Circle green pen. You come up to me now. You need so many. What? Hey, we need social distancing also. I need protractor. I have protractor. Protractor. 130.65. See, this is 70. 130 divided by 2 is 65. Huh? Your drawing is not accurate. 130 divided by 2 is 65. Yes, I show you why. Correct. Yeah, then you see yourself. It's supposed to be 65, right? Oh, you were 70. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, you got 70 I give you one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9. Okay, very good. Obviously, it's not the center already. 130 divided by 2 is what? 65. Look, it is just 50 only. Okay. Next. Any more? Okay, go. This one was given here. Then how do you even get this in the first place? By using numbers that don't make sense. So cannot. Yes. Okay, so I think I'm blind or what lah? Because they are medically right. 130. No. Move some more. This point has to be here. Okay, 130. Yes. It's either I'm blind or I cannot see what I wrote. Okay, what is the distance? Then AC is 9 cm. 9 cm. Got 9 cm. Hey, go or not? I don't know.
Then this one 130.
Okay, then give me some wrong.
Oh, it's my angle.
90. Wow, whose protractor is this? Your can somebody lend me another protractor? See, it's not 130.
I'm blind now.
Your protractor is very bad. Please change your protractor. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Surface area for prism is
No, volume of prism.
but if it's area then this is
If it is area, then it's 2 times this, then plus perimeter times the distance. Okay, so if you're talking about area of a prism, then it is 2 times of this, which is what you did, plus the perimeter over here, then times this distance. That will be total surface area. But that's not what I wanted. Anyway, even if it's total surface area, it is also wrong. Yes. Okay, so what happened is that you had 2 mistakes that resulted, the 2 mistakes cancel each other out. I'll show you why. You see here, -8, right? That's one mistake. Then after that, okay, from this step, 13x minus 8 equals 60. 13x equal to 60. When you want to get rid of the -8, what should you do? When you want to get rid of -8, what must you do? Plus. Okay, so I demonstrate if it is x plus 4 equals to 12. How to get rid of -4? Sorry, how to get rid of 4? -4, right? So x equals to 12 minus 4. You minus 4 on both sides. But if you want to get rid of x minus 4 equals to 12, x equals to, what do you do on both sides? Is it -4 again? Or what do we do? Plus. We plus 4. 12 plus 4. So similarly, you want to get rid of this -8, you are supposed to plus 8, but you -8. So 2 mistakes. That's why just nice your answer is correct. But it is because it's 2 mistakes, that's why. Not wrong method, wrong concept for 2 parts, yes. What do you mean show overall? You got A lah. Okay, are there any other changes in the marks? Yes. You go to the bookshop and buy. You bring your protractor here, I'll show you why. No, it's a bit off. You bring here, I'll show you why. Then you take this. It's not bigger. It's not about bigger. You see, the good thing about this is that you have 0, the black color one, until 90, then red color 100 all the way to 180. Then from right hand side, black color 0 to 90, then 100 to 180. So it's continuous one. Okay, you like yours. Left hand side, okay, no problem. 0 until 80 until 90. Then when you continue, what's after 8? What's after 90? 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, then should be 100. What's 100?
It should be like around here.
Not around. It is exactly at 80. Okay, it should be at 80. This is your 100, 110, 120, 130. This is your 130. Okay, give me your paper again. The 50 over there is your 130. This is the 130. I'm not sure, but just go. This one not very good. Okay. Where's the buy here? Bookshop. No lah, you buy from our school bookshop. School bookshop sell this one. This one I don't know where you buy from. Okay, data, let me just confirm some things first. Can I have Ayumi staple? Ayumi staple? All the absentee staple, can I have them back? Huh? Or with me? You want to help? Okay. Bertrand, Ayumi, Stella, Cheryl, Fazana. Fazana is here. Yukiko, Chris, Gauzy. Let's go.
The formula for this one is correct.
P1 for something correct. Home 1 is 70 plus difference. Difference is -4.
Oh,
-4. Yeah, that's the mistake.
I go here.
Ah, yeah.
Go there. Make it more.
One, 20. Your is better in paper 1 than paper 2. Yeah, paper 1 was better than paper 2. Huh? Later. I don't have. What is 12?
Sir, can you tell me what's the
No, I'm not showing mark. Please go back. I'm not showing mark. I don't have marks.
Everybody pass on.
No, I fail. Oh, got some fail. Is it?
Paper 2, the most marks who gets? Who get the highest marks?
I can't remember. I can't remember.
More than 40?
You can remember
I didn't bother remembering. But I think somebody overall get very close to 90%.
That's me. One mark high only. Trying to be among us teacher.
She lucky from second until now.
Is it? So many blank.
Yeah, a lot of people are complaining about the circle.
This one was the TYS question, what?
Yeah, that one's so easy. This one I got right. This one got right. So, you got
Later lah, during CCD I give you all.
oh, legit.
Yes. Huh? The map one.
Question already.
Vision question.
This one, I drew it right beside it.
It's okay. Okay, that's all. We will see each other again later on.